Salesforce, the powerhouse of customer relationship management, is revolutionizing business operations. But to harness its full potential, a meticulous implementation plan is crucial. Let's dive into the ultimate Salesforce implementation checklist. Salesforce's capabilities are undeniable. With a 21.7% global market share, it's the CRM of choice for industries from retail to finance. Nucleus Research highlights the impressive ROI of Salesforce, with an average return of $8.71 for every dollar spent on implementation. Before you leap into Salesforce, start with clear goals. What are your pain points? Is it sales productivity or customer service efficiency? Define these goals with the SMART framework to ensure they're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, assess your current processes. Where can Salesforce streamline operations? Then, assemble your project team. Include key stakeholders and Salesforce administrators who will be instrumental in the implementation process. Set a realistic timeline for your Salesforce journey. Implement in phases to manage data migration, system customization, and user training. Remember, customization is key. Tailor Salesforce to your business needs with custom fields and automation rules. Data migration is delicate. Cleanse your data first to avoid future headaches. Manage duplicates, standardize formats, and ensure data integrity. This will lay a solid foundation for your Salesforce environment. Training is the linchpin of Salesforce adoption. Provide comprehensive sessions and ongoing support. Encourage practice in a sandbox environment and offer resources like user communities for shared learning. Post-implementation, monitor key metrics and optimize processes. Regular reviews will help you streamline workflows and adapt to new features. Stay connected with the Salesforce community for continuous improvement. By following this Salesforce implementation checklist, you're setting your business up for success. With careful planning and execution, Salesforce will not only meet but exceed your business objectives, driving productivity and customer satisfaction to new heights.